So now another formula for properties of triangle. In this topic, if it is given triangle ABC, then you know the sum of the all angles of the triangle is 180, that is pi. That is, you have to take A plus B plus C is equal to pi, that is 180. So if now in trigonometry or anywhere in maths, if it is given triangle ABC, then you have to consider these properties, that sum of the all angles is 180, that is pi. So you have to remember this while it's given triangle ABC or triangle PQR, then you have to take P plus Q plus R is equal to 180, that is pi. Right? So this condition is not they are going to give you, or I am also not going to give you, but just I am saying that triangle ABC means you have to consider A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Now you know in triangle ABC, this is side AB, this is side BC, and this is side AC. Now side opposite to angle A is small a, we denote generally by this. Side opposite to angle B is small b, and side opposite to angle C is small c. So this ABC are, AB, BC and C are the respective sides of triangle ABC. That is, A is equal to small a. Small a is equal to what we get here? Small a is equal to here BC. Small a is equal to, we get BC. Small b is equal to AC. And small c is equal to AB. That means small letters, that is side, right, and capital letter is angles. So small letters rather except the small letters is your side BC. If small a, then you have to write except A, that is B and C. Small b, that is except B and A and C, and small c means AB. So if you write AB, so capital letters are A and B. So small letter is, answer is C. So you have to remember these notations for your example, right? Now first formula is sine formula. That means ratio of the angle of sine and side and angle sine A, sine B and sine C are equal. So you can write this type also, A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Either you can write, or you can, if you write this, then this is also okay formula, that is sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon small b is equal to sine capital C upon small c. Okay, so you can use any one of these formula, but generally we are going to use this formula. A is equal to A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C, right? If for triangle, if we take a circumference, this circumcircle, and the radius of this circumcircle is R, then you can write this is equal to twice R also, right? So A is equal to twice R sine A, B is equal to twice R sine B, and C is equal to twice R sine C will be also another formula for you. Okay, but we are not going to use that formula, just we are taking this ratio equal, that is A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C, that is called a sine formula. And for cos formula is A square is equal to, in cyclic order, A, B, C. Then 2 times BC cos A, right? Small letter, that is the capital letters. So A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC and cos capital A. Similarly B. So after B there is a C and A. ABC we have to take in cyclic order. ABC. So this is ABC. So we have to take in cyclic order. So now it turns of B. So B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2 times CA cos B, because there is a side B and side C. C square is equal to C, then A and B. So A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Okay. You can write this formula as like this also, and we are going to use this generally as this cos A, that is this angle, right? Sum of the square adjacent to this angle A, that is b square plus c square, minus opposite side, that is a. So b square plus c square minus a square. So this is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2 times sides including this angle, that is BC, 2 times BC. Now if we cross multiplying this, what we get? B square plus c square minus a square is equal to 2bc cos a, 2bc cos a, and making this a square as a subject, we will get this formula, simple, right? So you can remember this formula as like this. Similarly, cos b will be cos b. So cos b is this angle. So sum of the square of the sides including angle b, that is a square plus c square minus opposite side, that is b square. So answer will be a square plus c square minus b square upon twice ac, and cos capital C is equal to, this is the angle C. So a square plus b square minus c square. So a square plus b square minus c square upon twice AB. So these are the formula that you have to remember. So this is called the properties of triangles formula, right? We have to take properties of triangle in these all formulas. That's why this is properties of triangles formula, right? So cosec means A is given. So you have to subtract a square, that is b square plus c square minus a square upon twice these two. Cos b means you have to subtract minus b square, that is a square plus c square minus b square upon twice ac, and cos c, that is a square plus b square minus c square upon twice ab. So now for applying this formula, we have a question number 1, page 172. In any triangle ABC, means we have to take a plus b plus c is equal to pi. If small a is equal to 18, small b is equal to 24, and small c is equal to 30, then find cos a, cos b, cos c. We have 3 formula, cos a, cos b, cos c is this, right? So what we require? B, C and A. So already A, B, C all are given. So cos a is equal to, formula is small cos a, that is b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc. This is the formula. Now b square, b is 24. So 24 square is 576, that you know. So I am writing directly, okay, I am writing 24 square plus c square is 30. So this is 30 square minus a square is 18. So 18 square whole upon 2 times b is 24 and c is 30. So 24 square is 576. So this is 576 plus 30 square is 900 minus 18 square is 324. So 324 divided by 24 into 2, that is 48 into 3. 48 into 3, that is 144 and 10. So 1440. This is the answer. Now 9 plus 5, 1400. 14 plus 3, 1700. And 1760, 80, 1900. So what we get? This is 1100 and, oh sorry, we have to subtract this. We add all, right? So 900 plus 500. So 476 minus 324, that is 1152. So this is 1152 upon 1440. So this is your cos A, and if we simplify this, we will get 4 by 5. So we get cos A is 4 by 5, and second question is sin A also we have to find. So taking this is cos means 4, 5. So this is 3. So therefore sin A is equal to, what is the answer? 3 by 5. What is the answer? Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. So sin A is 3 by 5. Right? Similarly, using this formula of cos B and cos C, you are able to find out the value of cos B and sin B. right? So now cos B. So cos B is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon twice AC. So this is equal to, now I am writing a square directly. A square is 18 square. 18 square, that is 324. So this is 324 plus c square. C is 900 minus B is 24, that is 576. So minus 576 whole upon 2 times A is 18 and C is 30. So 1224 minus 576, right? So this is 1224 minus 576, that is 648. So this is 648 whole upon 18 into 2, that is 36, into 3, that is 108, and 10, so 10, right? So 648 divided by 1080 is 3 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. So this is cos B. So if we draw a right angle triangle, right, this is cos, that is 3. This is 5. This is 4. So therefore sin B will be 4 by 5. So sin B is 4 by 5. That is your another answer, right? And applying formula cos C. So cos C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon twice AB. Now A square is 18. 18 square is 324 plus b square is 576 and minus c square. C square is 900 whole upon 2 times A is 18 and B is 24, right? So 5, 3, 1800 and 900. So numerator is 0. So 0 into 2 into 18 into 24, that is everything is 0. So cos A is equal to 0. What we get? Cos A is equal to 0. So cos is 0, then sin A is 1, obviously. So therefore sin C is equal to 1, right? How we get this? This is due to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if we substitute cos equal to 0, then sin is equal to 1, because we have to take a positive square root, because angle lies in first quadrant, all are less than 90, right? So sin C is 1, cos C is 0, cos B is 3 by 5, sin B is this. This is the value of cos B. So this is cos B. This is the value of cos A. So cos A is this thing, that is 4 by 5. Got it? So these are the formulas that you have to remember now. So sine formula, either A upon sin A, either sin A upon small a is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C. Then you have to consider a formula. And cos A is B square plus C square minus A square, adjacent, right? In the angle which side includes, that is B square plus C square minus opposite side upon 2 times this BC. For B, A square plus C square minus opposite, and C, A square plus B square minus opposite upon 2 times this. Okay? So do remember. Example number 25. In triangle ABC, prove that it is given triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to pi. We have to consider, right? We have to prove these 3 formula. This 3 formula is known as a Napier formula, right? Now, in this type of formula, if you have to prove this, then prove using small letters, right? That is, if you want to prove first, then B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C upon B plus C cot A by 2. Instead of proving this, we are proving this taking small letters as a subject. So we prove that this B minus C upon B plus C is equal to 10 B minus C by 2 upon cot A by 2. So this is, we prove this, right? we prove that this, right? We want to prove that we prove that this, we prove that b minus c is equal by upon b plus c, that we are making subject to this, taking this to here. So this is very easy for you to prove, right? So remember this thing, why you want to prove दिस टाइप ऑफ सम, आपको ऐसा सम जो दिया है वो आपको प्रूव करना है, तो आपको क्या करना है, स्मॉल लेटर्स है वो उसको सब्जेक्ट बना के उसको प्रूव कर दो, सिंप्लीफाई करके, तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, राइट? सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस एज अ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो हियर b minus c upon b plus c, right? This is given. Now remember your sign formula, that is the very important formula, right? So sign formula is a upon sin a is equal to b upon sin b is equal to c upon sin capital C. This is your sign formula. Taking this as a k, if I take this as a k from sign formula, what we get, a upon sin a is equal to k. We will get this, that is a upon sin a is equal to k. From here, b upon sin b is equal to k, and c upon sin capital C is equal to k. So remember, small a is equal to k sin a, right? So therefore, small a is equal to k sin a, small b is equal to k sin b, and small c is equal to k sin capital C. Right? So any letter with trigonometric function is your angle, that is capital letters, right? So never confuse with small c and capital C. So that's why I am writing this as a capital C and this is small c, right? So substituting by sign formula, b is k sin b, c is k sin c, and a is k sin capital A, right? So substituting value of by sign formula, b is k sin b minus c is k sin capital C whole upon b is k sin b plus k sin capital C. How this? This is due to sign formula. You have to write this only, sign formula. Either you can write this, right? No need to simplify now again in next question. Okay, you can use directly by sign formula. So taking k common from numerator as well as from denominator, so k will be cut. So remaining will be b minus c upon b plus c is equal to sin b minus sin capital C upon sin b plus sin capital C. So applying sin c minus sin d and sin c plus sin d to formula that you know. So I am making list of formula here. So again another formula, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and sin c plus sin d formula, sin c plus sin d formula, 2 sin into cos, 2 sin into cos. So applying these two formula, numerator this formula, denominator this formula, what we get, b minus c whole upon b plus c is equal to sin b minus sin c, that is 2 cos b plus c by 2 into sin b minus c by 2 whole upon sin c b plus sin c, that is sin c plus sin b is 2 sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. Now keep your eyes on right hand side. What you want to prove? We have to prove tan b minus c by 2 upon cot a by 2. So this is This is your tan b minus c by 2. Got it or not? Got it? Okay, fine. So this will be cut. So what we get? B minus c upon b plus c is equal to. Now, it's given for triangle ABC, and for triangle ABC, you know a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So what we have, you have to convert this plus sign into radian, that is b plus c. So taking a to opposite side, what we get? B plus c is pi minus a and divide by 2. So b plus c by 2 is equal to pi minus a by 2, that is pi by 2 minus a by 2. That is pi by 2 minus a by 2. So instead of this b plus c by 2, I am writing this pi by 2 minus a by 2. So this is cos upon sine, that is cot, right? B plus c by 2, and this is sine upon cos, that is tan b minus c by 2. Got it? Now instead of this b plus c by 2, I am writing pi by 2 minus a by 2. So b minus c upon b plus c is equal to cot. This is b plus c by 2 is pi by 2 minus a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Now cot pi by 2 minus theta, you know, you learn in 10th standard, cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta, right? So this is b minus c whole upon b plus c is equal to tan a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. So this is your answer, what you want to prove, but that is not. You want to prove this tan b minus c by 2 upon cot a by 2. So tan reciprocal is cot. So you can easily write down this b minus c upon b plus c is equal to tan b minus c by 2 whole upon cot a by 2. Whole upon cot a by 2. Either you can cross multiplying this, you will get your answer in original form, right? So either making this as a subject, tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. Making these two subject, multiply this with here, you will get your answer. So this is what you want to prove. So this is true, right? So in this type of question you have to remember, आपको क्या करना है, जो स्मॉल लेटर्स है उसको सब्जेक्ट बना के प्रूव कर दीजिए, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा इजीली. बट नेवर गो फॉर दिस, ओके? स्मॉल लेटर्स साइड से उसको ही सब्जेक्ट बना के सिंप्लीफाई करना है, राइट? सो नाउ this 2 and 3 formula you have to do it yourself, right? So solve yourself and you will get your answer, because nothing to do. Here you are applying b minus c formula, here same formula, only here c and e are coming instead of b and c, and in this a and b instead of b and c. Otherwise same formula, same step. So you have to repeat and make do practice at home, okay? Do it yourself. Second and third homework.